ever get there. Herman came home. And I put it out just to get him out of the way. You get a little 2 minutes of work. That's about all you'll get out of him. I tried. I just want to wipe this down. Don't have to hear Melody's mouth for 100 years. This one was not going to come and clean it. This is a weird way to dry the floor. I've dried the floor at my foot because it's all wet. And I'm just trying to do the kitchen here.
That worked.
I guess I don't want to fall. You could have waited till I was out of here to do any of that.
You just told me to do the floors.
After my video.
Oh, well, you said I need some help doing the floors.
I need some help today.
Huh?
Yeah. Not gonna stick around? Okay. He's not sticking around, folks. Do it myself. Like always. Okay, I like using these paper towels are really handy. I want to get to this refrigerator. I don't like when liquids get spilled here. I have to clean that. I'll start somewhere. I gotta load these up because there's no room. It's just getting the grease off. I don't want to wear my gloves. It's hard for me to get in between the spaces of the knobs with gloves. Alright, a good start. See, he's in and out. You see him? He does his own thing. So basically, I want to take, I'll move this over there. This is a good start. And then I'll put some stuff around here, kind of soak it in, and get like a little brush to do that. Probably off camera. Or maybe a little on camera. Okay, so next I gotta do this right here. Right here is nice. He moved his bag, he kept his bag on the table, then he was like, put water on the floor and I was leaving in and out. Okay.